Flood. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that usually dry. This is mostly due to an overflowing river, a dam break, snowmelt, or heavy rainfall. Some of the water travels to land and floods the area. Flooding include lost life and damage to buildings and other structures including bridges, roadways, and canals. Making the land unworkable and preventing crops from being planted or harvested. Flooding after 1991 Bangladesh cyclone, which killed around 140,000 people. Greenhouse effect and global warming also increases this problem. Flood safety planning is necessary. Otherwise, you would be a refugee. So, be aware and beware.